We'd like to set out this morning the celebration schedule and program, which obviously will be published in the various media outlets through radio announcer messages, and of course through print and also through social media. We are having two events that will be held. We have the first event that will be held on Sunday, the 21st of August, which is when the Team Fiji arrives. As you know that they are arriving around about midday, at about 4:45 p.m. on Sunday the 21st, which is the Fijian team, including the men's rugby and other athletes that could be still in Rio that will be coming with them. Some, of course, as you know, have already arrived into the country. And once they arrive into Nadi, we expect obviously large crowds. Given the anticipated crowds that will be coming to, of course, greet all our Olympians and also in particular the rugby team, we have arranged for celebrations to be held at Nadi Prince Charles Park. We request that all supporters and fans who want to meet the Olympic contingent, in particular also the rugby team, the men's sevens rugby team, to please go to Prince Charles Park. We have a number of bands playing at the park, and of course people can line the streets and the roads from the airport all the way to Prince Charles Park. The athletes, the rugby players will be taken airside. In other words, they're not going to come out of the airport. Once they clear immigration and get the baggage, the buses will be waiting for them airside. They get onto the buses and then they'll come on the road all the way down. As they come out of the airport, turn right. We'll be publishing the routes of the team. So they'll come out of the airport, turn right, go to Batulevu roundabout, turn right again, through Namaka, through Namotomoto village, into Prince Charles Park, and turn left at the Nadi Bridge and then turn right again. Over there, the chef de mission, Kathy Wong, will give a short welcoming speech and a thank you speech. The Honourable Prime Minister, of course, will give a speech also. We'll have an interfaith Thanksgiving session to thank, of course, everybody and, of course, the Almighty for the success we've had. And then the team will then depart approximately 4:30 to 4 o'clock from Nadi Prince Charles Park. The route they'll take back will be through the Nadi back road, and they'll come to the airport. The team will then board the Fiji Link flight to come to Nassori on Sunday evening. At Nassori Airport, they'll be greeted by some of the cabinet ministers, and they will then be taken on different buses. The men's rugby team will go along King's Road. The rest of the athletes will come via Sawani Road and go to the Fasanok office. But the men's rugby team will go along King's Road, across the Nassori Bridge, all the way to Suva. We'll again publish that route. And as they'll go, of course, we expect and know that a lot of our fans and supporters will be lining the streets, greeting the team. They'll come to GPH Hotel where they'll be staying, and then they'll rest for the night. Monday, as you know, is the special holiday that has been set aside for the celebration of the Olympic gold victory that no other Pacific Island country has had, and of course we have had for the first time. And celebrations will be held at the ANZ Stadium. I should also say, John forgot that in Nadi we'll also have a traditional ceremony that will be carried out by the people of Sambeto, who will carry out the ceremony. That's the Vanua o Beto Rau will be performing that, commonly known as the people of Sambeto. On Monday morning, the ANZ Stadium opens at 8:30 a.m. We'll be having various bands. In Nadi, for example, we have the three school bands, we have the Sangam High School band, we have the St. Thomas band, and we have Natambo High School band that is performing. In Suva, we have the Corrections Jazz Band, National Youth Band, Chinese Youth Band, and Rishikul Dance Group that will be performing. prior to the team arriving from GPH. The team leaves for GPH, and they will start a march in a convoy with the band accompanying them. The team, of course, will be on vehicles. They will start the convoy from the flea market. They'll come down Victoria Parade, turn left at Thurston Street, McGregor Road, Bow Street, and Lodala Bay Road into the ANZ Stadium. The event, once they arrive at ANZ Stadium, they'll walk around the track. They'll be accompanied by the RFMF band, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, and the First Lady will be on the main stage for themselves. The team will arrive, and then they'll join His Excellency, the President, onto the stage. Then again, of course, we'll have a Thanksgiving prayer, we'll have a traditional ceremony of welcome that will be performed by the Vanua Rara Nakelo. Nakelo will be performing that. We'll have the chief guests. They'll be garlanded by the winning Bellatine Memorial Girls Rugby Sevens team. We saw them perform last week, where unfortunately Maris lost. And then His Excellency, the President, of course, will be presenting to them the various medals that will be given by the state in recognition of the superb performance of the coach, Ben Ryan, and of course the winning team. His Excellency the President will also then give the incentive that government had announced in respect of the winners of a gold medal. The Honourable Prime Minister will speak. We will then, of course, show the highlights of the Olympics. Then we'll hear remarks by the head coach, Ben Ryan, and of course the winning captain of Australia, Oseko Misao. And then the event essentially will end. We please ask everybody for both events to wear blue to show our support to all the Olympians on Sunday itself and their performance, and also our way of thanking them for their performance. And then of course on Monday, in recognition of the win by the superb Sevens Rugby men's team. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the main program for the 2 days. We expect everybody to be participating. And we've just spoken to the Fiji Bus Operators Association, and we hope to, in collaboration with them, also provide buses. So we hope to, for example, have buses from Singatoka, Mba, and various other parts in the Western Division for people to be brought over to Nadi Prince Charles Park. Of course, there are people who want to go from Suva. There would be some arrangements made for that too. And then on Monday, we'll also be providing transportation from areas outside of Suva. People from Korobo, for example, Tailevu, Naitasiri, and of course again from the Western Division. And those announcements regarding the arrangements for the buses will be made in the next couple of days, by Friday or Saturday. We'll have the times and places and the actual bus companies will be departing, in most cases from the market area, to be taken to the two locations and then be brought back. So that transportation, of course, for the members of the public who want to participate in the events will be for free, to bring everybody together to show our admiration and our support and give our thanks to the fantastic performance by the Team Fiji, and of course on Monday by the Sevens Rugby team. So we'll be publishing all of that in a lot more in detail, and we again ask all the media organizations to please push these two events out to the members of the public, give as much support, as much publicity, to get all Fijians together to show our appreciation to the, as I said, the athletes who participated in the Olympics, and also to the men's Sevens Rugby team that has won gold for Fiji for the first time in the Summer Olympics. Thank you.